Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for July 18th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair first. This pair did close down today. It did create a second inside bar, so second inside bar in a row. We are looking for this pair to potentially break out, most likely to the downside. It's been moving sideways overall for the past couple of sessions, so keep an eye on that. We could see this pair go as high as 79.54. Possibly as low as 78.55. Now we are looking for some resistance around 79.50, and we're looking for some support to come in around 78.50. Now the EURUSD pair, it gapped down, has not retraced that gap as of yet. Did close up after a strong move to the downside, moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 142.45, possibly moving down to 139.34. Look for some resistance around 14200, and look for some support around 140.15. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down. It almost retraced, came within less than a pip of retracing, did close lower. However, we are looking for it to potentially go as high as 161.97. Possibly as low as 159.36. Look for some resistance around 16100, and look for some support around 6000. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up, did gap down, filled that gap fairly quick, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 08272, possibly as low as 08031. Look for some resistance around 08200, and look for some support around 08075. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the euro has the German ZEW survey being released, basically the economic sentiment for July at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has dropped from negative 9.0 to a negative 12.5, so it could be negative news there for the German economic sentiment. Could affect the euro. We also have the Bank of Canada releasing their rate decision for July at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that they're going to hold rates at 1.00%. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, we can't ignore two inside bar days in a row in the US Japanese yen pair. It's just not a good thing to do. You need to take a look at market action, and this is clearly an opportunity for a breakout. So, not sure which direction it'll go, but I'm not really concerned about that too much. Basically, in either direction that it runs, I'm looking to grab about 31 pips to the upside, to the downside maybe a little more at about 40. Now the other thing I'm looking for is the EURUSD pair to fill its gap. Hasn't quite gotten there yet, so I'm going to tag the high of this previous session here and the high of Friday's, the previous Friday's close, and then look to grab about 10 pips, 12 pips there in the middle as this thing surges up during this next session. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.